Alright, welcome to episode 4. When we left off, we just went through zero gravity, and we're now at the engineering bay, so I guess I'm just gonna go down here, see what is down here. Is this where I was, or no? Oh, this is a tram station, which I don't even know if this is where I'm supposed to go or not, but... Either way, we'll figure it out.
Station now accessible. Thank you for your patience.
Alright, let's go back. See what kind of shenanigans we can get ourselves into. I guess I gotta... yeah.
Seeing you in the control room. Any news on the engines?
Yeah, but it makes no sense. They're out of fuel. The centrifuge is offline. We're tethered to a 4 trillion ton payload. Without the engines, it's dragging us down to the planet.
Can you handle it alone?
Sure, fix the centrifuge, get the fuel running, then do a full restart. But you'll need to stabilize our orbit from there.
Standing by. Fast as you can, Isaac.
Refuel the engine south, north. Alright, so I guess we gotta check out the map, see where it's telling me to go. Okay, I do have to go this way. Alright. Oh, I haven't been in here. This door was probably locked. Oh, spooky, scary. Ripper blades. Oh, the Ripper! This thing used to be badass. Feels pretty good. Master
Cannot determine clearance level. Master security override required.
I don't think I have. No, I don't. Alright. Let's get out of that then. Oh, so the
Autopsy
doctor.
report, Dr. Nicole Brennan. Rig identifies the subject was junior engineer David Swenson. The subject was dismembered after falling into machinery, allowing... God. So sorry. Postmortem spasms. The chest contains a yellow bile seen in other specimens. I've seen this bile react to dead or bioprosthetic cells. The dead tissue is absorbed, recombined, then reanimated. The bile shares genetic markers with human DNA and a growth on the walls. It's all connected to the marker from Aegis 7, but how? Dr. Kine studied the marker. Dr. Kine has vanished. Unless he's with the survivors on the mining block. Rest easy now, David. I promise. End log.
Alright, I've seen that and I can play it again. Gold thing, where's the place? Alright, so this is part of her side mission, I guess. That I got earlier in the morgue area. I think it was the morgue at least. I can't on this. Okay. Oh, look, a bathroom. Let's see. Where's the bad boys in here? No bad boys. Guess not.
Security request retrieved.
We need help down in engineering. Danvers, get those wires up. Tell us to shut out. I don't want to. I don't want to. Christ, Henderson, your teeth. He's pulling his teeth out. Just hold it. Where the fuck is security? Oh, God. He's dead. No, he's alive, but he hit that stick pretty hard. His own teeth. Chief, what the hell is happening? I don't know. Cancel security request. Henderson needs the medical bay. And a shrink.
This game's kind of wacky. Like, wacky in a good way. I just haven't played a game kind of like this in a long time. It takes me back to when games were actually good and they weren't just rushed out and poorly made. So this is very refreshing. Thank you for dying. I appreciate it.
Warning. Fuel reserves depleted. Main engines offline.
Alright, great. Anything else that I missed over here? No. That room's level 2. Alright. I guess we gotta go this way. Bring that over here. I'm gonna go up here first, though. Let's see. I'm gonna check the map, see which one. Okay, I'm not supposed to go this way yet, so let's go. So this is the control room where I just. Okay, so this is just an alternate exit. Cool. So I don't have to run all the way back through. Oh, something's gonna come. Magnet? Hold down. What did that do? Oh, okay, I refueled the engine.
Refueling sequence activated.
Now I can take
Additional fuel
that.
required for engine restart.
Got him. I'm gonna start using this Ripper a little bit more. I mean, even though I just got it, but try to use it as my main weapon compared to that plasma cutter. What's the alternate fire? Okay, it just shoots the blade out. I hope it's better than the normal attack where you just shoot the blade out in front of it and then it just sits there. Like we will see. Oh, I hear him. Oh, okay, so yeah. It's very good, I see. They didn't stand a chance, even though they thought they did. More Ripper blades.
Job done, Chief. Progress report filed by Jacob Temple. The engine problems aren't a malfunction. Someone shut off the fuel lines to the primary engine and damaged the valves to hell and back. We just wasted an hour fixing them. Now we need to restart the south refueling station, but some jackass turned off the power and locked up the circuit breaker. No engine? We're gonna hit planetfall soon. What now? There's gotta be someone around here how to spare access card. Ghost. Did you hear that? Never go!
Key card, we need that. This is as far as I can go. Okay, now I can go down here, but I don't think. No power. Okay. I guess I gotta use the key card at the.
Isaac. Damn it.
Daniels? You made it.
Thank God. After the bridge, we thought that...
Glad to disappoint. I barricaded myself in the computer core. I can hear them, but I don't think they know I'm here. Isaac, I've tracked down your rig. You're in engineering, right? I'll get myself admin privileges. Maybe I can help.
Ooh, what do I have to turn off now? Lights or life support? I really don't care about lights, so. Ooh, that's real dark. But maybe it's just this room. I hope so. It was not just that room. It's this whole place. It's spooky. That bad boy.
Refueling sequence activated. Sufficient fuel to fire primary engine.
Okay, I've got a fuel reading. Only a quarter full, but it should be enough.
I still need to get the centrifuge working
boy.
before we start.
The babies!
Move fast, Isaac. DJ7's looking damn close out there.
Oh, this thing's really good. Hello. Oh, there it is, being spooky. Oh no. No, they're missing. Oh shit. For you. Come on. That takes a lot. I guess at least it's good on the little tentacle guys. It's not super good on the normal ones. I'm hearing spooky sounds. But what is it? Am I gonna die? Please. I don't know. I guess all is good. Some of bread over here. I'm assuming there's no one That's where it was before. Oh, look at that. Yay. I gotta blow some bitches up. Or just won't do anything. Let's fucking die. That worked. Sorta. So now... I couldn't get in here before, could I? Oh no, that's a train station, I could. I gotta go back. I'm assuming up this elevator right here. Check just to be sure, yeah. What's up? Goddamn elevator, it's taking a while. Alright, there we go. Alright. Where were we? Plasma energy.
Clearance confirmed.
Don't really need that too much. Alright. Get the fuck out. More loot. Can I open this one? First, gotta look at this text log. Alright.
Clearance confirmed.
Pulse rounds. I think I have a node, maybe. I do. I'm gonna put on the Ripper. Upgrade that a little bit. Decon chamber. Yeah.
Decontamination sequence activated. Please stand by.
Oh, I know they're gonna come out. Yeah, there they are. And I'm standing right up. Fuck you. You know, let me use pulse rifle. I have a lot of ammo for it, so I might as well. Didn't that kill him? Is there any more? No.
Decontamination sequence complete. Thank you for your
Medium
patience.
packs. I can buy medium med packs now. Ripper ammo. Need that. More Ripper ammo, alright. Which... I'm assuming I probably have to go to both of these, but... If it tells me to go right, I'm gonna go left. Well, that doesn't look too friendly. Okay. Good thing I came down here. Fly around everywhere. Okay. Plasma cutter back out. Another text log. Alright. inventory is full. Oh, that's no good. What don't I need? Grab that. No, I want. There you go. I need to find a. What are they called? Stores. I need to find a store.
Entering zero gravity. Warning. Centrifuge offline. Please attach generator modules manually.
I gotta slide those in, I guess. But first, come on this elevator down. See what this is about. Money.
Generator module attached.
Okay, so I just have to freeze it. Alright, I guess that was pretty easy. Suck that fart. Yeah, I guess it was easier than what I thought it was. I just didn't think that I would have to freeze it for the. There we go.
Generator module attached. Clutch engaged. All personnel clear for centrifuge restart.
Success.
Centrifuge activated. Re-establishing balance with tectonic load.
I guess I just want to go down here then.
Looks like the centrifuge is back online. All that's left is restarting the engine.
Oh. Okay. Marked like that didn't happen at all. Oh, okay, so I can't fly now. I have to walk. God damn it.
Looks like the centrifuge is back online. All that's left is restarting the engines, right?
Well, let's
Ready
not
when
die
you are.
again. Can I make it? I'm not gonna risk it. Either way, I don't think I could have anyway. Okay, I'm gonna just run back here. That'll take him out. Stupid. No. Oh, run. Oh. Okay. Almost died. Come on. Ah. Oh, more too. Alright, now let's run back. me see what's over here first before I go that way. That's my energy, alright. Guess I'm good. Ah. Get cut up, fool. Alright, that wasn't so bad. We're good.
Exiting vacuum.
Oh, shit. I don't know what that was, but I'm assuming that's our first boss. Alright, that's gonna do it for part 4 of Dead Space. Hope you all enjoyed. See you on episode 5.